what you have to do in this old youth skill is you have to learn some skill. And you have to know about a peculiar skill what is there trending in electric. Okay. So today we are going to learn about this solar rooftop installation. Okay. So PM means Pradhan Mantri. Okay. Surya means sun. Ghar means house. Mufti means free. Bijli means power, not current, power. Yojana means skill. How to get free? What skill you are going to learn is what is PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. Okay. So PM means Pradhan Mantri. Okay. Surya means sun. Ghar means house. Mufti means free. Bijli means power, not current, power. Yojana means skill. How to get free electricity by using? It was launched in 2024 by Prime Minister. Okay, so the purpose of this Yojana is empowering homes with solar energy. So launched by PM in 2024. So what is the purpose of this scheme? Let's try to see in the systematic and why it was established. Okay, so see here, it was launched in 29th February 2024. The objective is to provide free electricity. So initially what happens is we will not get free electricity. So you have to invest 1,50,000 from our pocket. From that 80,000 you will get a subsidy. Okay. So after using this electricity for 2 years, you will get 100% free electricity. So the lifespan of solar PV system is 25 years. How many years we will pay the amount is only for example, monthly you are getting 5,000 electricity. Only into 5, 60,000. 60 into 2, 1,20,000. In 2 years, what you have been invested, you will get return. From 2 years, 23 years, you are going to get free electricity. That's what we mean of free electricity. Sir, how many units I will get? Generally, this PM Surya Ghar scheme is designed for 3 kilowatts. First 1 kilowatt, you will get 30,000 subsidy. Second kilowatt, 30,000 subsidy. Third kilowatt, 18,000 subsidy. First kilowatt is how much? 30. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 80, 78,000 rupees you will get subsidy from PM office. Okay. And to promote this scheme, the budget allocated is 75,000 crores is allocated by the central government. So who can apply and how to apply also is the process. Okay. The process of applying this scheme is you have to go to this website and register with your electricity bill and you can go forward. Okay. Let's try to see what is the process of applying for this scheme. Roll into 3.
36.
36. So approximately summer or winter we are taking average how much? 300. But maximum it can generate 450 units maximum in peak summer. So in Andhra Pradesh we have 365 days, we have 300 days, we have highest solar. So subsidy of 40% is what I am saying. Then subsidy of 60% for 2 kilowatt. I already told you. 1 kilowatt will get 30,000. Second kilowatt will get 30,000. Third kilowatt will get 80%. So what about 4th kilowatt? You get 0. You will not get subsidy for after 4 kilowatt. The scheme is designed only to give only up to 3 kilowatts. Why? Because 300 or 400 units is used by a normal public. Okay, so the person who is consuming 500 units monthly is an already richest person. For rich people, government is not interested to give subsidy. Okay, if he is using 500 units, you can estimate that he is having minimum 3 ACs or 2 ACs. The person who is having 2 ACs can just only to give subsidy. That's what we calculate. Okay, so the person who is having less than 300 units, so it is like a little bit budget friendly. So for that is exactly suitable. So in order to empower them, they are giving this subsidy. Okay, so coming to this loan facility. So here the total cost of the project will be 2,20,000. It is 2,20,000. 10% is then 22,000. 22,000 only you have to pay up. You have to pay on the spot. Remaining 1,98,000 then you will get subsidy at an interest rate of 7%. 7% means how much price? 7% per annum is interest rate. What is in rupees? That also you don't know. 7% per annum. So 2,20,000 into 7% is how much? 0.07 divided by 12. Then you will get monthly.